Hello beautiful people, welcome to a beautiful tutorial. How are we doing? Trust we are doing well. No kai mere. Welcome. Today I'll be making baby duvet, and our measurement is 42 by 30 inches. 42 by 30 inches. This is inches. So I've cut out our foam, and the length of the foam, or the breadth of the foam, is 1 inch. So I'm going to cut our fabric. I'm using this fabric, so I'm going to cut enough that will enter the foam. Let me stitch this and I'll get back. I'll be using this white fabric as my lining, or the other part of the back. I don't want to use Ankara and Ankara, so I'm going to take it to my machine and I will sew a U shape where the foam will enter, then I'll get back. Ankara is slightly bigger than that of the foam by 1.5 inch on both sides. It's 43.5 by 31.5. This side 31, then the longer side 43.5, then the shorter side is 31.5. 1.5 inch, that is the allowance I put. So I'm going to take it to my machine and sew here, here, here. Then I'll leave this place where the foam will pass in. Take note that I'm sewing the white and the Ankara together. Let me go stitch this and I'll get back. So we have stitched it. I hope you can see. Now the black line with that is intentional, so that you guys will see it. It's staged. So I'm going to turn it inside out. So what we'll do next is to insert our foam inside. We are still using our dacron, but let's start our foam inside first. You can also use your dacron sheet or fiber sheet or whatever. So here it is, it has been inserted. So what we'll do is to take away 5 inches on the 4 corner side, or the 3 corner side. From here to this side is 5 inches. From here to this side, 5 inches. From here, 5 inches. So I'm going to join the lines together. Just pray you guys are saying this, but me, I'm saying it too. I'm saying the marks. So I'm going to do that on the 3 corners and I'll get back. Chalk 5 inches. From here to this side is 5 inches on the 3 corners. So I'm starting from here. From here to this side, this is our starting point. This is our starting point. I'm going to leave this side for now. So I'll stitch on the U shape and I'll get back and I'll show you. So here it is, we've stitched it on the U side. So don't stitch to the U side. We left this place open. We are still going to stitch it later. So what I did next is to get my dacron and I will start inserting it on that U panel, that 5 inches panel side. We'll just insert it around it. So now let me insert this and I'll get back. Remember the bottom side, your hand may not reach that side. So you will have to lose some parts and start inserting your dacron. So you lose some parts to insert your dacron. So now let me do this round. You can see I've added some here, as you can see. So this one will meet this side. Aha. So I'm going to do it to this side and I'll continue. Here it is. So we have fixed our dacron inside. This side we have to open it a bit so that our hand will pass in there. So we are going to stitch. So here it is. We've applied our dacron inside. So we are going to stitch this side that we open. Remember, we open here now. So we're going to stitch that side. So now let me stitch that side and I'll get back. So here it is. We have stitched this side that was open before. It has been stitched. So this is the opening. We are still going to close it later. So I don't know if it's that I want to do. Maybe I should just use this circle now. Make circle. Just stitch it circle like that. Or I should just trace the horse. That also go give me malaria. So man, leave one. Maybe I'll just trace the circle. I can just put my velcro, my dacron a little bit just to make it for me. Not so belly, no, you know. Put it like that, or I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it flat, and I'll just make this circle, and this one I'll just cover it like this. This one I'll cover it like this. Let me just see what I can do. I can even do, you can even do gushy. You can do gushy, you can do straight, you can just, anything that you know that it's going to be sweet, just do it. So let me remove this one. I think what I'm going to do is to make a circle around it like this. Another circle, then I'll get back. Welcome back. This is Crazy Swags. So here it is. This is the design I decided to make. I applied my dacron inside the circle side. If yours does not have circle and you like this design, you can as well just use something to make circle and sew it round. See. So I'm using the circle side as the design. You can just make any design of your choice. Let's keep going. We'll show you the finished product. So here it is. We've circled it with our machine. Round. You can also make your circle without adding the dacron. So we are going to close this part. We are going to close. So here, from here, remember where our border stopped now. From here now, we are going to stitch it to the other border. Then we'll add our dacron here. So let's stitch this straight and we'll get back. So here it is. It has been stitched straight from that border to this border. So we are going to start putting our velcro here so that it will be like this side. So before that, we are going to stitch it halfway and open just the middle so that the dacron will not be falling out. So just fold it as I'm doing it like this. You fold it so, and you stitch it. See, stitch it to this side. Do the same thing. Stitch it to this side. Open this side and put in your dacron. So let's do this. We'll be back. I am now. Okay, then you are stitching it like that. You stitch the other side like that too, leaving space. So here it is. We have stitched this side. We have stitched here, as you can see. It's stitched. So the middle side is open. So we are going to start inserting our dacron. So we insert our dacron like that and fill this side, and we'll get back and show you. So here it is. We are fixing it in at the small opening left for us. So once we are done, we'll show you how it's. After we are done, we'll now close it back. They come. This we are. Oh yeah. We are closing now. So this is our baby playmat. our sweets. This is our cloud pillow. You can use both sides. This is our moon pillow. This is letter A. So beautiful. You can also turn the other side and use the other side. Let's see how the other side is like. So here is the other side. And this side is puffy. You can see how this side is puffy. It's very, very nice. You can just put your baby here and you put the pillow. The baby will be sleeping, relaxed. Thank you for training with me. My name is Emmanuel of Business Works. Thank you for training with me. My name is Emmanuel of Business Works. I can't take you guys for granted. God bless you and your homes.